Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this hair. I've gotten so many questions and requests on it. Ever since I wore it on Valentine's Day, I wore it the day that I did an Instagram stories takeover for Fenty Beauty, and I have been getting questions ever since. So I'll be sharing details. The hair is so easy to apply and it's all I've been wearing. It's from a company called Hergivenhair. Hergivenhair specializes in natural hair extensions, natural hair clip-ins, and natural hair wigs. Like the wigs that they make, they look so believable sometimes. You think that it's going out of someone's scalp. And in the box, you get a little thing that has some combs and an elastic band. And I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box, the hair itself out of the box now. So it looks like this. I've not tried to run my fingers through it at this point, so you guys can see that the coils are super defined here. So it comes with 2 combs at the sides and 1 at the back. As you guys can see, this is a full lace wig, and this particular one is their curly textured full lace wig in 16 inches, and it comes with adjustable straps as well. The curl pattern that you get with this particular wig, it mimics the 3B 3C curl pattern, so it's not as tight as the curls or coils that you get with the 4A to C hair type. So I'm just cutting the lace off. I prefer to do this like this. I don't like to do it on my head. And after that, I'm going in with my foundation and I'm going to apply this really lightly underneath the lace. I'm going to flip the hair over, or I flip the hair over, and I'm just applying this really lightly. It's going to make the lace look very realistic and make it look like the hair is going out of your scalp. This hair is pre-plucked in case you're wondering, okay? So once I'm done with this, I'm going to just put the wig on right now. I almost said apply the wig. It's the same thing, isn't it? I put the elastic band over my head first, and I'm going to go on ahead and adjust the wig later. I told you guys earlier that I added the elastic band. I just sewed it down by the sides for extra security. So I'm adjusting the wig now, putting the pattern where I want it. I like to move this hair all the way back, because I like the way it looks, the way it frames my face when it's like all the way back, so it's not on my forehead or anything. So the way that I've moved it back, you guys can still see that my own natural edges are peeking through still. This is what I want, and I'm not really into like baby hairs and all that. I just want the hair to be secure, so I'm not messing around, or I'm not playing around too much trying to create baby hairs, if you understand what I mean. So I'm going to go on ahead and take the headband or tie. This is actually a hose that I've cut up, in case you're wondering. I'm going to take it off now. So everything looks laid and flat now and secure as well. So what I'll do after this normally is to just use a headband. This is what I'll normally use to keep hair off my face while I apply my makeup. So I'm going to go on ahead and do my makeup, and I'll be right back. So once the band is off, all I do at this point is to just go in with edge control, just very little, and slick down this side of my edges, especially if I have hair that isn't in place in that area. Like I said earlier, I'm not that much into like baby hairs and stuff, but if there's anything that doesn't look in place, I just use a little bit of edge control to slick it down. This one is by Cantu and I love it a lot. I've been using it ever since I tried it out in that hair tutorial that I did last year. Check that one out if you've not seen it. So this is the hair. I really love the way that it frames my face. I love the drama. I've been wearing this literally every day. I just love this wig a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up and subscribe, and I hope it answered all your questions. If you're interested in this hair, check the description box. All the details will be there.